everybody, my name is Mike Montgomery, and today we are converting my workshop to solar with Goal Zero. Let's get started. Boom, so we get it centered up nice. Wow, they look so clean when they're brand new. Making things modular is kind of the future. Just letting people choose what's best for their situation so they're not buying things that are overpowered or underpowered. It's just kind of built to what they need. Yeah, this is gonna be sick.
Rolling.
Rolling! Okay. Hey everybody, today is the day. It is the Goal Zero off-grid solar workshop installation. We've got the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X. We are pairing it with 4 of the 1200 watt-hour battery storage tanks that you can add onto this. Super heavy duty and convenient. Let's do this. Beauty shots, check. So I imagine this being my power wall. I don't need any outlets on that side. Remember, my workshop is 12 feet wide, so if I have an 8-foot extension cord, I can run anything off this one wall. I'll be able to have a couple sets of outlet boxes, one here and one down here, and we'll run conduit to connect it into the corner. The other thing we need to do is run conduit and wiring for lights up here. I'm gonna do 4 rows of LED workshop lights. That way I can film at night. Also, I have Justin here from Goal Zero. He knows electrical better than I do, and he understands the product really well.
Yeah.
So hopefully, between the two of us, we can knock this out.
Yes.
Let's do it. They say like measure twice, cut once. We just measured like 7 times. Always save your scrap wood. This lumber's getting expensive. The best part about what I do is honestly just getting to be creative. I'm definitely not an artist. That's never a label that I would give myself. But there definitely is a huge upside to having a creative job. Obviously I have hobbies. I like making music, I love nature. It's kind of why I moved out here to Joshua Tree. But I don't feel creatively like yearning. Like I'm able to kind of like satisfy that desire by building, and it's really nice. I spend like 3 or 4 days building a project, and then I spend probably like 2 days editing it. It's the perfect balance. I couldn't ask for anything better, because if I had to build every day, I'd probably get jaded. I'd get tired of it, doing the same thing over and over again. But by the time I get a project done, I'm kind of ready to take a break from building. So I get to sit at a computer and kind of relax for a few days and edit the video. Alright, we've got some time.
Oh!
Woo!
Whoa!
And that's how it's done. I can't turn around yet though, too wide. Okay, and this is where our solar panels are gonna come from the roof and feed inside to our Goal Zero. That's so satisfying. Oh! It fits!
Congratulations.
Oh! It's wild how lightweight they are. These solar panels are awesome because they're portable and they have this kickstand. You can put them up anywhere. But since we're mounting them onto the roof, I'm gonna be taking the kickstand off and mounting brackets onto the side. Now that wiring is complete inside of the shed, it's time to put some solar panels on the roof. We've got 4 of these 100-watt Boulder 100 panels from Goal Zero. and they're going right here in the corner. And we're using clear silicone in between the mounting brackets and the corrugated panels. That way there's never a leak. So linking all these panels is surprisingly easy. You've just got this splitter cable to connect all of them, and then this goes directly to the goal zero. Heads up! And before we get rid of all of our slack, we're gonna make sure that the cord droops past the hole that we made. That way the water can drip off of this low point rather than draining right into the hole if it was tight. Just find what's right, do the same on the opposite wall, and then from the center, do that symmetrically.
Okay, cool.
So we'll just kind of eyeball it, but that's, I think, the way you should do it. It's either in the center of this or on the third mark. I just want to avoid fractions, you know? I just want as small of decimal points as possible. 56, 224 divided by 4? Yeah, I ran it in my head, that's what I got too. 56, is that? I just ran it, did you get 56?
I got 56 on the old calculator.
Oh, great. We're looking for a 90-degree bend, but you can bend it any angle you need. That's how we made it match the roof line earlier. Boom! Actually, I overbent it. Oh! That looks so good. Okay, it's time to test all of these outlets. Fingers crossed.